With the long echoing whistle behind me, Chongqing just took a bold step forward in international connectivity. Today, the city officially launched its first scheduled freight train service to Central Asia, a milestone moment for inland China's open economy. This new train, loaded with high-value polyester chips produced by a local company, departing from here and is bound for Tashkent, the capital of Uzbekistan. Unlike the previous cargo width for train model, this new scheduled train operates on fixed time and routes. As more made in Chongqing products here, like EVs and smart equipment, join the routes, this new corridor is set to become a golden gateway for Central Asia and beyond.
途径班列以固定时间、固定线路、固定班期进行高效组织。相较以往货等车的零散发运而言，它具有运输时间短、成本低、运行稳定的显著优势，为西南地区的外贸企业提供了更加优质的跨境运输保障。
这趟班列为重庆企业出口中亚地区货运时效缩减了30%以上，能够有效助力重庆本地制造业优势产品扩大中亚市场份额。